Hi everyone, this is CTS Auto Service Repair. Today I'm working on a 2010 Honda Pilot. In this vehicle I have an issue with the engine. This morning a customer of mine drove the vehicle on his way coming to his office. He found out that the car was not moving or raising fine. So he was able to manage it to the workshop today, a Saturday day like this. So I was able to scan the vehicle and I find out that the vehicle have a random misfiring. The knock sensor is triggering out from this scan. So we have random misfiring, knock sensor P0325. P0325, that is the knock sensor code. I'm very sure that is the cause of this issue. What happened to this issue is that I was able to lose it out. As you can see, I'm almost done losing it out. So there's a term both are not tying this governor. So you lose it out, you lose the nozzles, the manifold itself to get access to this governor. And there's a term bolt surrounding the bolt, and there's a particular bolt that you need to lose the power steering pump to access. This one, and there's another one there. I don't know if you are seeing it. I find out that the knock sensor has been tempered by a rat bite. As you can see, at the time, okay. This is what happened to the knock sensor. This is my knock sensor. As you can see, let me unplug it. This was the rat bite. This is the socket. I'm coming. Okay, you can see. This is what happened. I was able to get some pieces of it. You can see. So, guys, make sure you check the wiring highness of this. On any vehicle you find out a trouble code or a sensor, check the wiring highness before concluding or changing any sensor. On this condition, I'm doing a general service on this vehicle. I'm going to change the spark plug of this vehicle. So you can see this was my spark plug. It's not working properly. I'm going to service the nozzles. Clean up everything, and I'm very sure that the vehicle will be okay. So do the same thing and you have a good result on this issue. So guys, this knock sensor is still okay and still good and still intact. So I'm not going to change it. It's just the wire I'm going to change. This was the wire that the rat have eaten. Okay, thanks guys. This was CTS Auto Service Repair. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share the video to whoever that needs this kind of video. It helps a lot for me to do more video like this. Thanks for watching.